The 2025 BMW M3 is back and bolder than ever, proving once again why it's the benchmark of high-performance sports sedans. BMW has taken everything enthusiasts love about the M3, aggressive styling, blistering performance, and precision handling, and elevated it to an entirely new level for 2025. This isn't just a refresh, it's a refined beast ready to dominate the road and track. At first glance, the 2025 M3 grabs attention with its bold stance and aerodynamic enhancements. BMW has made subtle but effective changes to the front fascia, adding sharper lines, reworked air intakes, and a more sculpted grille that integrates seamlessly with laser-sharp LED headlights. Around the back, the signature quad exhaust setup is now more pronounced, and a redesigned diffuser adds not just visual aggression, but real aerodynamic performance. New color options, including striking matte finishes and updated wheel designs, complete the look, making it impossible to ignore. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW M3 continues to use the revered 3.0-liter twin, turbocharged inline-six engine, but don't let familiarity fool you. Power output has been bumped up significantly, now delivering an astonishing 525 horsepower in the competition xDrive trim. Torque is equally impressive at over 480 lb-ft, available across a broad rev range for that punchy, on-demand performance. With the help of BMW fine-tuned 8-speed automatic transmission and advanced all-wheel drive system, the M3, that's supercar territory, all while offering the practicality of a four-door sedan. For purists, rear-wheel drive and manual transmission options are still available, showing BMW continued commitment to the driving experience. This is a car made not just for performance numbers, but for the thrill behind the wheel. Whether carving through mountain roads or pushing limits on a track day, the M3 delivers balanced handling, razor-sharp steering, and an intoxicating soundtrack from its active exhaust system. Step inside, and the 2025 M3 feels like a cockpit designed for both luxury and focus. The updated interior features BMW curved dual display setup, combining a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a massive 14.9-inch infotainment screen powered by xDrive 9. The system is fast, intuitive, and now offers enhanced voice commands and over-the-air updates. Carbon fiber accents, merino leather upholstery, and optional carbon bucket seats enhance the sporty vibe while ensuring high comfort levels during long drives or intense sessions behind the wheel. BMW has also enhanced its driver assistance systems, making the M3 not only a thrilling performer, but a surprisingly livable daily driver. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera system are all available, allowing drivers to relax when needed while retaining full control when it's time to let the M3 off the leash. Driving dynamics have also been improved with a recalibrated adaptive suspension and updated stability control algorithms. Whether you're in comfort, sport, or track mode, the car adjusts its character to match your needs, from calm and composed to wild and raw. The M-specific drivetrain tuning allows for power to be distributed dynamically between the front and rear axles, giving you confident grip in any condition while still offering the ability to drift and play when traction control is dialed back. One of the most exciting additions this year is the optional M-Drift Analyzer and M-Laptimer, designed for drivers who truly want to explore the car's capabilities. These systems record your performance, offering data on drift angles, G-forces, lap times, and throttle inputs, making the M3 not just a car you drive, but one that actively helps you improve your skills. Fuel efficiency might not be the primary concern for M3 buyers, but BMW has managed to optimize consumption through better thermal management and a mild hybrid assist system. While the gains are modest, it helps make the M3 just a bit more responsible without sacrificing any of its ferocity. Overall, the 2025 BMW M3 is a machine built on legacy, but clearly focused on the future. It continues to set the gold standard for performance sedans, offering a blend of everyday usability, motorsport DNA, and technological sophistication. Whether you're looking for a track weapon, a luxurious commuter, or a thrilling weekend toy, the new M3 adapts effortlessly to every scenario. It's not just a car, it's a statement of driving passion and precision engineering. BMW has once again proven that when it comes to building a car that stirs the soul and dominates the asphalt, the M3 remains at the top of its game.